In this video, I'm going to show you how to link GitHub with Lovable AI. So open up Lovable AI and then log into your Lovable AI account. So once I've logged into your account here, so what we're going to do, click on your profile, which is in the top right here on your name. So just click on your workspace there and then go to settings, click on settings. And once you're on your settings here, you'll get to the settings page here. Under integrations, you'll see a GitHub option there. Click on GitHub, okay? And then here it's going to ask you an option called add your GitHub. So all you have to do is simply click on connect account, okay? Simply click on the connect account option there. And then once you click on the connect account, it's going to ask you for authorizations where you go to authorize and give permissions and then plug in your GitHub credentials as well. So you just have to follow a few on-screen prompts and that's it. Your account will be connected. So as you can see here, my account is now connected. Once connected, you will see your GitHub account that pops up here. And that's basically how you do it. It's a very easy and straightforward process.